You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Mide once said in an interview that they will say Mide is not meant for Afeez Owo. Another one will say Afeez Owo is not up to Mide's standard. She's too beautiful for him. She's too fine for him. They have been saying so many stupid things. Please help me tell them I love him like that. I am sure people don't understand why we are together or why we are married. For me, that is what they call love. It's very difficult for people to accept that Mide and Afeez are still happily married for more than 10 years. This one, exceptionally excellent and effective family who have been relevant in the entertainment industry and are still relevant. To agree that Afeez is not a prince charming, unlike his beautiful wife. Well, Mide gave a reason why she agreed to date him years ago. She confessed that she rejected him when he initially asked her out.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.